Welcome to the Fear and Greed Afternoon Market Report for Thursday, the 22nd of July 2021, where in just a few minutes I tell you everything you need to know about what's happened in financial markets and the world of economics today. I'm Sean Aylmer. The S&P ASX 200 hit a record high today, up more than 1%, closing at 7,386 points. Despite another surge in cases of community-transmitted COVID-19 in New South Wales, investors bought into stocks across the board, although, ironically, the healthcare index went backwards. The banks did well, with Commonwealth Bank, ANZ, National Australia Bank and Macquarie Group all rising by more than 1%. Transurban was 1.6% higher and Telstra was up 1.3%. But the lithium miners were the best performers, with Pilbara Minerals and Orocobre both up 10%. Orocobre today reported an increase in production during the June quarter, triggering higher sales revenue. Total production was up more than 30% on a year earlier. Significantly, battery-grade lithium jumped to be almost two-thirds of oil production. Pilbara provided a similar upbeat report yesterday. They weren't the only winners today, thanks to electric batteries and electric vehicles. BHP signed a deal with electric vehicle maker Tesla to supply nickel from its Nickel West mine in Western Australia. Nickel is used in batteries, and demand for the metal is forecast to surge in the next decade. BHP's share price rose 3.1%. And Lynas Rare Earths got in on the act as well. Its share price jumped more than 9%. Of course, rare earths are used in batteries. It's that time of the quarter when miners come out with production reports. LNG and oil producer Santos posted record quarterly sales but wasn't talking about its recent bid for Oil Search. The group said it was on track to generate more than $1 billion in cash over 2021. Evolution Mining will purchase a number of assets from fellow gold miner Northern Star for $400 million. The announcement came as Northern Star appointed a new CEO and reaffirmed its profit guidance. Market leader Newcrest Mining said it was on track to meet guidance. The good news is that while production is strong, the cost of producing gold has fallen to a record low. That means a higher profit margin. Zip Co's share price tumbled 7.8% today, easily the worst on the market, despite the group announcing that revenue doubled over the June quarter as its US business grew quickly. Total revenue was $130 million, about half of which was from the US. But analysts didn't like that Zip hadn't hit customer growth expectations in the world's biggest economy. In economic news, Australia's trade surplus last month hit a massive $13.3 billion. With both imports and exports up by 8%. Iron ore led the way, up 6%, compared to May at least, while both coal and copper exports were higher. Just recapping Wall Street, the S&P 500 and Dow Jones Industrial Average both finished up 0.8%. The Nasdaq finished 0.9% higher. That's it for the afternoon market report for Thursday, the 22nd of July 2021. Join me tomorrow morning for the regular edition of Fear and Greed, and then for a chat to Sabri Subi, a digital marketing expert who built his business from $50 to $50 million in just 7 years. I'm Sean Aylmer. Enjoy your evening.